Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
It's permissible to appoint some some brother to do Udhiyah, slaughter for us. However, as the price of cattle, sheep, and goats in my country is high, is it allowed to appoint a brother in another country as it has a lower price
This is
or
for
not?
what?
Because in another country,
No. What are they doing in another country? Slaughtering what?
Udhiyah.
Udhiyah. Yes, this is totally permissible. No problem. If it is too expensive in your country to slaughter a ram or a sheep, and you feel that you can do this in another country, this is permissible, though it is not from the sunnah. Because the sunnah that you consume from the slaughtering, you have offered. But if it's too expensive and you can't attain the sunnah, this is permissible. In India, people say that because we cannot slaughter the Qurbani, or the Islamic word for it is Udhiyah, so they want to give the money in cash to the poor. So is this permissible? The answer is no. It is not permissible to shift a emphatic sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ with your own logic. So for example, we know that Udhiyah can only be offered from Bahimatul An'am, from livestock, from cattle, camels, cows, buffaloes, whatever, sheep, goats. You can slaughter any of those. If someone who's filthy rich and says, listen, I have a horse, and this horse costs like $50,000. It's one of my most valuable possessions. And I'd like to sacrifice it on the day of Eid and distribute the meat to the poor. I said, okay, but this doesn't have anything to do with Udhiyah. It is totally bogus. It doesn't work. Another one says, okay, akhi, how much is the sheep? It's 1,500 riyals. I'll pay 10,000 riyals and I'll buy fish of the best type and give it to the poor. Good, Jazakallah khair. This is nothing to do with Udhiyah. So you have to do exactly what the Prophet ﷺ told you and exactly what Allah has mentioned to us in the Quran. So either you slaughter your Qurbani or Udhiyah or you don't. There's nothing in between as, okay, I'll give them money. Okay, I'll buy them biryani, rice and whatever. No, this doesn't work. Either you slaughter or not. And the funny thing is, in the past 5 months or more, with the COVID-19, nobody stopped eating meat. People kept on slaughtering, people kept on eating meat. So why is it when it comes to Eid al-Adha, you say we can't slaughter? Slaughterhouses are working and they have no problem in that. So yes, you have to do that, and giving money doesn't do the job.